join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
Speaker sir and esteemed members of the House, there is a fear and anxiety in the minds of general public due to a pressing issue that affects the future of children and the foundation of our education system. The acute shortage of teachers in our schools and the exploitation of contractual teachers have reached crisis. Almost all our schools in the state are struggling with a severe shortage of teachers, resulting in a student-teacher ratio that is far more than ideal. This has led to a significant decline in the quality of education, leaving our children without necessary guidance and support. Furthermore, the plight of contractual teachers is deplorable. They are overworked, underpaid, and denied the benefits and job security that they deserve. This is causing a disruption to the education system again. I urge the government to take immediate action to address this issue. We need to fill the vacant teachers' positions, regularize the services of contractual teachers, and provide them with the necessary resources and support. Our children deserve quality education and our teachers deserve dignity and respect. Let us work together to ensure that our education system is strengthened and our future generations empowered.
Noted, Speaker.